All right, so here's something pretty cool you don't get to see every day. This queen right here was ready to come out. So we're gonna help her out a little bit. Here she comes. And there she goes. Brand new queen being born. So I'm just gonna grab her real quick. I'll put her in a cage. But we got a beautiful virgin queen right there, unmated. That's so cool.